Hi guys, so today I'm going to be taking you with me on some errands. I have some cleaning to do later. I don't know how this video is going to be set up. I don't know how it's going to go, but I really want to upload more on this channel, and I really like the vlog style. I think it's more relaxed. I think it's more fun, so I want to see how I like it. Right now I'm at the bank and I have to deposit some money. I have to get gas. I'm going to go shopping because I want to. And then I have some cleaning stuff to do, laundry, and all that fun jazz. So, if you guys like this style of video, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe. I just hit 2,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much. I've been on YouTube forever, and I'm excited to keep this going. Can I get an extra order of fries?
What size?
Small.
Okay.
And a large Sprite.
So a chicken fried box with no sauce, a large Sprite, and a small fry?
Yep.
Right, $8.34.
It is like 3. What time did I leave? I left at like 12:40, so it's been a little over 2 hours. Went to the bank, got gas, went to TJ Maxx. Only got 2 things. All right, I am home, but let me show you guys the 2 things I got from TJ Maxx really quick. Okay, first I got these pair of purple sweatpants. I'm gonna use them as pajama pants. And then they have the like elastic at the bottom. These were $13, so not bad. I live in sweatpants and pajama pants, so I wanted some more. Then I got these snow boots. These are the Nautica, is that how you say it, brand? I have one similar. They're a little bit higher and they're black and red, but I wanted something just black so it goes with everything. So these are super cute. They have like a zipper on the side. These were $30, so not bad at all. All right, I'm gonna go clean my vacuum out because it definitely needs it, and then I think I'm gonna just chillax and maybe take a nap because that's part of my daily routine. So we'll see. So it's a little bit later in the day. I took a short nap and I'm gonna do some cleaning. So I'm gonna put like a t-shirt on, get some cleaning done. If you guys are new here, or I haven't updated, I guess, since this has happened, but I moved back in with my mom about a month ago, a little over a month ago. And then we also have 3 cats and 1 dog. So between the 2 of us. So as you can probably bet, there's hair and just a mess that we have to clean up. Okay, laundry is in. As far as the kitchen goes, obviously the trash needs to be taken out. Things need to be just put away. Groceries that need to be put away. The stovetop needs to be cleaned. More stuff that needs to be put away. The sink, obviously got to put that away, and then I'm going to clean the sink, put stuff away. So let's get started in the kitchen.
Every inch of me is hurting, and I just wanna leave it all behind. Yeah, I'm breaking up with you tonight. Yeah, you know it's hard to say. Yeah, you know we're not okay. I can see it in your face. We became a lonely place. Goodbye, so long, my dear.
you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys like this vlog style, let me know. My next video is going to be like a after Christmas clearance haul, as well as showing some new cleaning products that I bought and I'm going to be trying out. So definitely subscribe to that. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok, and I will see you guys later. Bye.